Have a look at this. It's already snowing in places like New Jersey and, of course, a lot of other spots. And I'll tell you what, with Winter Storm Quinn, this nor'easter that's coming up for today, it's only going to get worse as the day progresses. This storm really hasn't even fully taken shape yet. Once the low develops, it's going to get a lot windier. The snow is going to get a lot heavier, and we've actually had to up some of the snow totals that we're expecting in places like New York. Boston, you guys are still going to be right on the edge, so let's kind of dive into this and show you how it's going to pan out. So there's the low, and you see how it gets a little bit more strong as we progress through the day. These lines get a little bit closer together. That generally means that it's going to be windier. Now, this is not going to be as windy of a storm as Winter Storm Riley, which we had toward the end of last week, but the snow totals are going to be heavier, especially in some of the big cities, and those snow totals where they're the heaviest are going to be a little bit farther toward the southeast as compared to the last storm. So when all is said and done, here's what we're expecting as far as snow totals go. I mentioned we had to up the expected snow in New York City. We're now expecting around a foot, maybe even more, up to 1.5 feet in some local spots. Eastern half of Long Island, you probably won't get as much. And generally, as you get closer to the coast, you're talking more rain mixing in, so the snow totals are going to be a lot lower. Keep in mind, we've got a lot of wind with this storm, too, along with the heavy, wet snow that'll weigh down some tree branches. So I think we're going to get some power outages, probably not as widespread as we had with the last storm.